Cheerdots 2. Wireless mouse with ChatGPT integration, replacing touchpad, laser pointer. The manufacturer claims that this device can replace a computer mouse, touchpad, laser pointer, and dictaphone all in one. The device is capable of recording audio, and with the assistance of ChatGPT, it can convert voice into text, transmit it to the computer, and even provide a brief summary of the key points. As a laser pointer, Cheerdots 2 operates in two modes: illuminating a large area with background dimming or a small colored circle. The wireless mouse charges via a USB-C port and offers 20 days of autonomous operation on a single charge for the built-in battery. Cheerdots 2 Basic, without the recording function, is priced at $44, while Cheerdots 2 Advanced, with recording and transcription capabilities, is priced at $69. Shipments are expected in March of next year.